This joint here, it doesn't match the schematic on page 12. We need to verify the specs.
The revised plan accounts for the stress load. I've already cross-referenced the coordinates.
Maintain ascent rate, starboard side clear.
Confirmed, rate steady. Keep watching the alignment.
Okay, lift your side. Got it. Secure the top first.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left. Okay, easy now. Set it down.
The key is the integration of the bespoke pieces. See how the light hits the gold accents? It's exactly the high-end feel we wanted.
Yeah.
All right, easy down. Little left. Clear on this side. Settle it in.
Look at this section near the keel. The ultrasonic data shows significant thinning.
That's a critical failure point. We must flag it immediately.
Hold it steady. 3 inches more to the left. All right, bring it in.
Clear.
As you can see, the propulsion diagnostics are entirely stable within this configuration.
And the energy flux during the microjump sequence?
Service, please. We need the mains ready in 2 minutes.
Heard, Chef. Picking up the pace. Roger that. Control. The team is on the gangway. We expect to be at the stations in 5 minutes. Anchors away, Captain. Aye, heading out to sea.
Engine room. Maintaining maximum continuous rotation. All systems green, holding steady at 180 RPM.
vibration levels are negligible, and we achieved maximum continuous rating without any thermal spikes.
It's perfect.
Look at the size of this thing.
Absolutely incredible. I can't wait to get on board. Welcome aboard. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you. Here is my pass. Welcome aboard, madam. We hope you have a wonderful journey.
Look up there at the domes.
Incredible! It's incredible!
This is the best park ever.
Look out! Yes, we got the artifact. That was close.
You got this. Keep going. I made it. That was intense. Let's go, everybody. Make some noise. I can't believe they carved the entire logo out of ice.
It's the most impressive centerpiece I've ever seen.
To the best cruise ever.
Cheers to that. Look, the icon of the seas. We have to book this one.
I know, it looks amazing. Let's do it. Goodbye, icon of the seas. We'll be back.
See you next year.